Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME Q5 PRO device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpapers on this phone. Firstly, you need to click and hold on any free space of your screen, then click Wallpapers, click Add and Continue, Allow, and here you will see the list of all wallpapers on your device. Then just choose any static wallpaper or live wallpaper, or you can choose wallpaper from gallery, or just use any of the pre-installed wallpapers. Click apply and choose where you want to apply this, where you want to use this wallpaper. So for example, I want to use it on both screens, on home screen and the lock screen. Then click OK, allow. And great, as you can see now on my home screen and on my lock screen, I have these beautiful wallpapers. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.